Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making a keto, low-carb stuffed peppers. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the keto, low-carb stuffed peppers. You will need half a kilo of extra lean beef mince, 398 ml of diced tomatoes, half a large eggplant diced and peeled, 1 cup of freshly cut parsley, 1 small onion diced, some mixed peppers, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of light olive oil, and some mozzarella cheese. And this is how your keto, low-carb stuffed peppers should look like. Serve it with some salad and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!